as you could see in the intro, I was able to get my video blown up. And in the last video, I have unlocked this Spitfire, but sadly, I was unable to unlock the Hurricane because, well, it says I do not have enough silver lions, but after some grinding, I have finally gotten enough, which is 12,094. So that means I can order the Hurricane now and improve my battle rating. Oh, wait, what's this? I don't have enough silver lions to choose a crew for the Hurricane now? So now, once again, it is time to grind. Alright, so right now, the Sea Gladiator that I'm flying right now is the weakest craft in my squadron. So I'm going to use it first. So even if my worst craft dies, my best craft will come last. Alright, got him. And got that one. And going to get that one, but no, miserably failing at that one. And yeah, got him. And oh yeah, one of those big boy bombers. They're the best ones for me to get free XP because they're so easy to target. It's like it's almost unfair at this point. Especially that one with the gigantic wings. And yes, I am going to kill this. Oh look, it's already flaming really bad. Oh no, I crashed! Oh no, I crashed my engine into it! Am I gonna die now? No, because I killed it. Great, that's great, I guess. Alright, here comes a P-39. Oh, I hate those things. Critical hit. Oh, something whizzed by like that. BF-109s. Oh, I hate those things. Come on. Okay, got a hit. I got a hit. Got a critical hit. Oh, yes, an enemy kill assist. Let's go. And TBD-1 in the distance. Alright. Target destroyed. Let's go. Target destroyed again. And the other one over there. I got a couple of hits. Oh, I gotta watch out. Bombs away. Target destroyed. Let's go. Oh, another one coming in. I don't think I got that one. Oh, I got that one. And another one gone. Wow, I'm absolutely demolishing everything here. Ooh, coming fast. And P-39QS. I don't like any kind of P-39. You know, all my airplanes have been super weak so far until I discovered the tracer bullets. They're super fast and super dangerous. This is my favorite bullet type now. I don't like the default anymore. I go with tracers now. And I got a critical hit. Why is it called a La 5FN? That's a terrible name. And I got a hit. Enemy kill assist. Let's go. Got him. Oh, you kamikaze? Yes! Target destroyed. Let's go. Oh, it's BF-109. I knew it. I hate. Oh, yes! Target destroyed. Eye for eye. Even though I died myself. Alright, well, welcome to the Lowlights. The worst parts of War Thunder. Oh, what? Oh, come on! I knew it. It was a spawn camper. Oh, come on. Wait. A Hurricane drop? That's the one I'm trying to get right now. Stop killing me. I'm trying to get you right now. Oh, please no. Maybe if I could get that one bomb target. Are those missiles? Never mind. Alright, I got him. Wait, what? Okay, so. Aha, there it is, next one. Oh, wait, no, I wasn't paying attention. One hit? How? Okay, I don't know why this is in the lowlights when I literally killed this guy in one shot. Okay, it's burning, but I can survive. I can get the guy. Okay, I'm shooting him. Okay, the P-51. Yes, I can kill him. I can kill it. I'm almost there. Oh, come on. It gets out of range at the last. Oh, and now I die? Oh, I see how it is. I see how it is. Yeah, so after all that suffering and winning, I am finally able to get the Hurricane Mark II-B tropical version. Let's take it out for a test flight. Okay, so we are now in the Hurricane on a test flight. And yeah, I'm trying to desperately lift off, and we have lifted off. And wait a second. This is the same map as the one I did in the Spitfire video. How is this possible? Anyways, yeah, it's actually pretty maneuverable, and there are a lot of guns, and that's awesome. Lots of guns. Nice. Yeah, so that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, or I will find you.